alone. They both go out to play on that cold and rainy day. And Bohemian sings us his song while Bahamut wanders along. But in the glory of this spring, you can hear Bahamut sing. Whoa, ho, ho, are you as big as me? Whoa, ho, 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 way too big to see. Whoa, ho, 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 Bahamut, he goes so slow. Whoa, ho, 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 too big for place to go.
Suspended in a thin silver bowl, which rocks gently on the back of an immense blue-green tortuga. And the tortuga's scaly feet are firmly placed on the topmost of 7 craggy mountains which arise from a vast and arid plain of drifting, fetid yellow dust. And the plain is balanced precariously on the top of a small, thin, green acacia tree which grows from the snout of a giant blood-red ox with 50 eyes that breathes flame the color of the midnight sky. And the ox's hooves are firmly placed on a single grain of sand which floats in the eye of Bahamut like a mote of dust. No one has ever seen Bahamut. Some think it's a fish. Some think it's a newt. All we know is that the lonely Bahamut floats endlessly through all time and all space, with all of us and everything floating in a single tear of his eye.
Uma casa é para estar confortável, estar quentinho, principalmente no inverno, se tiver muito vento. É um sítio
que é para ti uma casa?
Vida.
Descobrir outras formas de pensar.
Fazer o trabalho de equipe. Amizade e eu adorei trabalhar em equipe.
Sei confirmar que todos nós temos sempre uma coisa boa para dar aos outros para
Vemos e pensamos. Sei muito construir.
Vamos dizer adeus? Já o Afonso foi aqui. E agora?